Good days to everyone. We are from the group as Kacang. So our group has Iris, Darshan, me, myself, Junzan, Naila, and Raihan. And the three of us would be representing for our group for this project. So the device that we chose to digitalize is a health band, or as what some of us call a fitness band. Next slide, please. Slide. Okay, so moving on to the issue that the user will face when using this device without any digitalization, right? So the first of all, the user will have limited access to the user health informations. So without any digitalization, user of health bands will face the challenge and predicament of any limited access to their health informations. So to add on to that, right, traditional health bands often lack of internet connections or sort of any kind connectivity that include internet, Bluetooth, and mobile application that associated with this health band. So thus making it very difficult for the user to actually track their health information in real life time. And this consequently, it will make it a little bit less accessible that able to hampers the user ability to monitor their health information in a much more precise way. Okay, so the second issues, manual data tracking and management. So without any digitalization, users are forced to rely on pens and paper. So it's sort of like the writing text. So they need it to record their health-related information in a much more, you can say, in a written form. And this kind of like not able to allow them to take track in a much more convenient way. And this process not only time consuming and also prone to any error as well as any inconsistency. So we have the last issue here, limited integration and analysis. Without any digitalization, health banks will struggle with the lack of integration capabilities. So as such, the user often find themselves unable to connect to the health banks with other health monitoring devices, such as our handphone, like smartphones, and any fitness application that can be used to deliver precise health tracking. So without this said implementation, the user are unable to gather valuable insight or any precise form of data to improve their fitness. And this eventually will make the user to miss out any kind of benefits of comprehensive data analysis and holistic health tracking. So next slide. Okay, so we have here the key benefits after digitalizing our device here, which is our device, which is the health band and fitness band. So the device is able to monitor the health rate of our user. Thus, this is able to provide much more insightful data regarding our cardiovascular process as well as any progress during our exercising routine. And therefore, right, through this data, the user are at least able to determine whether they should increase their intensity of their workout routine or at least reduce them to not face any fatal consequences. So the second benefits we have here is personalized health insights. This is because, right, our device are gathering the data and to perform an algorithm checking that can then be used as a recommendation and provide better personalized health insights based on the user recent activities. So it can provide the algorithm such as the YouTube and Facebook. So these insights also allows a well-informed data that allow the user to regard in their fitness routine, and these routines includes their sleeping habits and overall well-being. So what we have here is lastly the last key benefits. So the last key benefits here is allowed activity tracking. This serves as a main key that promotes our device here. So it's generally allowed the user to track the activities that they can do in a very much of the activity tracking way. So this example is a number of steps taken, the amount of calorie intakes, and as well as the amount of calorie burnt, and many more other gym fitness features. And these benefits overall act as an overall tracking system that allow the user to track their progress as well as striving for their fitness goals. And I will pass the last slide to Darshan.
Thank you, Junzan. So as we all know, the device that we are digitalizing is health band, which also been known as fitness band. Therefore, the device that had to be involved is health band itself. The functionality of this health band is to monitor this user's health being as well as their progress. This health band also functions just like the general wristband, where the user will wear it on their wrist, just like a watch. Next, we have network. The networks that are integrated into our devices are Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, and emergency network. As for the Wi-Fi and mobile data, it allows the users to connect to the internet, which can then send real-time data and insights to the users if deemed necessary. Considering we won't be able to connect to Wi-Fi is where we go. Therefore, the mobile data is also integrated. And the mobile data used will be based on the phone that we are connected to. Emergency network is also implemented in case of the users fall into some unwanted situation. Hence, the health band will automatically contact to the nearest clinical station. Lastly, there will be an application that is associated to the health band. This allows the users to gain comprehensive and precise data about their progress. The users are recommended to download this application into the mobile for a better and convenience usage. That's all I think, and that is all from us. Thank you very much.